Hi, this is the last of three videos showing how I'm building a pond and waterfall. I suggest you watch this right through to the end, as near the end I'm going to be listing out the actual costing of all this. Anyway, this video takes on the building of the actual waterfall and the construction of the decking area, etc. I hope you enjoy it. This is the area beside my shed where the decking area is going to go. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to reduce the depth of this by about 18 inches or 450 millimeters, as the decking would just be too high at this point. Here I'm digging out for the waterfall. The soil that I take out goes on the side, so I don't have to dig down quite so deep. I take it out of the ground and raise up the level on the two sides. time to start installing the pump. The pump has two connections. The one I'm connected at the moment is leading to the filter, and there's a secondary inlet that's going to lead to a surface skimmer. This will take off the debris from the top of the pond. This is the filter for the pond. One of the connection on the far side leads up from the pump, so it pumps the water into the filter through, I think it's 9 sponges plus a UV light, and then comes out through the other side, which I'm just connecting now, which will lead to the top of the tank at the top of the waterfall. On the back side of the same connection, on the other side of the filter, you can see a blanking off plate, and that one is used for joining on a short piece of hose, and then using the handle on the top of the filter to pump up and down to where I want to inject the dirty water. Well, time to try and make sure we got no leaks and purge all the air from the system, and let's see the water running down here for the first time. Lots of air, as you can see in the pipework. Now it's all been tested and there's no leaks, it's time to get the decking area underway. You can see a couple of views of me making it up. Here is the final walk round of the finished product. Pretty much all complete now, except for a bit of landscaping that I want to do later. I want to lay some turfs up on the left hand side and put a bit more soil on the far side, but in reality it's pretty much all finished. I've got some pond plants and some goldfish kindly donated by one of my neighbours. the sound of the water is a constant delight. And the two pools you can see there, we've actually started getting some birds bathing in them. I'm hoping to attract some wildlife, so I hope you've enjoyed this.